everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about trading. A seemingly simple concept with complex hidden insights that can impact the global economy. From Wall Street to Main Street, it's a world filled with risk, opportunity, and mystery. Trading is a complex and constantly evolving field, and success often depends on having a deep understanding of the markets. But what sets the most successful traders apart from the rest? In this video, we delve into the unknown depths of trading, uncovering the secrets and tactics behind the curtain. I'm really excited to share this with you all, so let's get started. For many traders, understanding the markets is the foundation of success. But what exactly does this entail? Knowing the historical patterns and future trends is just the tip of the iceberg. A deep understanding of the markets requires a comprehensive analysis of the various factors that influence market performance. This includes economic indicators, geopolitical events, and even social and psychological factors. By considering all these variables, traders can gain a more complete picture of market behavior. But it's not just about knowing the data. It's also about being able to interpret it and make informed decisions. Understanding the patterns and trends is one thing, but being able to apply that knowledge to your trading strategy is another. And while technology has revolutionized the way we approach trading, the human element remains critical. Experience, intuition, and a deep understanding of market behavior can provide a competitive edge in this highly competitive field. It's a delicate balance between using technology and data and relying on our own instincts and understanding of market behavior. Finding the right combination is key to success in trading. And as the markets continue to evolve, so too must traders. Staying ahead of the curve and continually expanding your understanding of the markets is crucial in this fast-paced world. So as we explore the key to successful trading, one thing becomes clear: having a deep understanding of the markets is the foundation for making informed decisions and achieving success in trading. For many traders, the focus is on the numbers and the data. But is this really the key to success in trading? It's not just about the numbers. It's about having the ability to see beyond them, to understand the motivations and emotions that drive market behavior. The markets are driven by human behavior, and emotions such as fear, greed, and hope can have a profound impact on market performance. By understanding these emotional drivers, traders can gain a deeper insight into market behavior. But it's not just about understanding emotions. It's also about being able to apply this knowledge to your trading strategy. By considering the emotional and psychological factors that influence market behavior, traders can make more informed decisions. So as we explore the hidden world of market behavior, one thing becomes clear: understanding the underlying motivations and emotions that drive the markets is essential for making informed decisions and achieving success in trading. That's all for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, take care.